Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today, guys, is talk about the new and improved gradient tool within Adobe Photoshop. There's been a recent update in Adobe Photoshop, and they have really improved the gradient tool. I just want to talk about it in more detail with yourselves today and take the steps that I show you, implement them into your designs, and I guarantee you'll be able to create something really cool and fresh and innovative. So this is our gradient tool situated here, okay? Now, as you can see, all you need to do is click and drag from any point of your artboard here or document or page, and you can simply create a new gradient. Very easy. As you can see as well, what it's automatically done is added a gradient fill layer, which you can edit and change and whatever. All you need to do is double click the layer thumbnail there. These are our preset gradients that we can use. Let's say we use pinks, for instance. As you can see, it updates in lifetime for us. We have the option here to reverse the gradient if you want to. And what you're able to do as well is you're able to add color stops to the actual gradient bar itself. What you need to do is wait till you see the plus sign on your mouse, and then just click, and there's a new one there for you. Now, let's imagine you're not actually happy with that particular color. Just very simply double click the stop, change it. And we have five types of gradients. If I open up our properties window, you can see here at the moment what we're using is linear. What we can also use is our radial gradient, like so. Yeah, again, you can click and drag out from any area of the artboard, like so. You're also able to bend that gradient if you need to, and make more of a sort of oval looking kind of gradient. We also have the angle gradient. It's like a sort of bird's eye view of the gradient, going from that blue there all the way around into that sort of pinky rosy color. We have reflected, and again, obviously, as you will know, we can just click and drag from any point of the artboard and reflect our gradient. And the last type of gradient we have is diamond, like so. If you want to remove a stop or color stop from the actual bar itself, just very simply come to the stop and click and drag it off. As you can see there, it disappears. And now we've got a two-stop gradient that we're using. You can change it again by double-clicking at the option there. And as you can see, much more intuitive and a lot more user-friendly. And there you have it, guys. That's the new and improved gradient tool within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much. Take care. I'll see you next time.